Okay, now I have two
Yeah, I know.
segments. We'll wind it up then. So first is bluntly bold with Atharva. So I'm going to ask some bold questions and you have to answer those questions. Okay?
Bold questions,
Uh,
అంటే
you're
మరి రామ్
sensible
గోపాల్
enough to
వర్మ గారి
answer.
రేంజ్ లో బోల్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్.
I am the boldest and I am the boldest. I am never to reach out. There is only one RGB, nobody can beat it. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll start. You have to
Yeah.
be very rapid. Okay. Have you ever lied to a girl?
Yes.
Okay. One thing that make you feel sexy yourself.
My singing and the looks.
Okay. I don't want to comment anything.
What was the question?
What is,
one thing that makes you feel
that
sexy.
makes you feel sexy.
Yeah. So my singing and my looks.
Great. What is the right age to have sex, according to you?
Sorry. Why does?
What is the right age? What is the right age to have sex according to you?
The legal age, over 18.
Don't tell me the legal age, according to you.
According to me.
Yes.
Yeah, according to me, it is the legal age. Whatever is legal, I'm more happy to do it. I'm very happy to do it.
Okay. I'll ask this personal question in WhatsApp, not now. What turns you on? You know, next ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతానో మీకు అర్థమైంది. దాని ముందు చెప్తుందా, ఇంతకుముందు అడిగిన దాని క్వశ్చన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతానో మీకు అర్థమైంది. అది నేను పర్సనల్ గా అడుగుతాను. ఓకేనా? What turns you on in women?
In women, personality.
Yeah. Like,
personality. Ante the way they carry themselves, the more the dignity, personality, their persona, hundatanam, being sure about themselves, at the same time beautiful and being very focused and not too childish, dumb, kakunda, intelligent person, good personality.
I think we have the same kind of criteria, same similar about a movie.
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't boost, right? You don't boost, right? So have you ever dialed your ex?
Drunk dial.
Drunk and dial. But you don't boost, no? I think. Do you?
No, till 31 I never boozed. Till 28, 29 I never boozed. But appudapu try chesanu, I don't like it. I never liked it. Okay. I don't enjoy it. So have you ever... I only drink it. Have I ever drunk dialed my ex? No.
Yes. Okay. Have you ever kissed in public space?
I have not. No, not yes. No, I said no. I never drunk dialed my ex.
No, not that. This is another question. Have you ever kissed somebody in a public space?
Oh yes, of course.
Which space? Tell me the space. It's చాలా interesting ఉంటాయి.
Well, with one of my girlfriends, I was in Goa, so we had a competition among friends. There were 2-3 couples like who will kiss the longer. So I was the longest with my girlfriend.
Tell me the time.
We were sitting in a bar. Okay, live show jarugutundi. So that's right. Yeah, that's it.
You won, right? What is the time you won?
15 minutes.
Great. So you're a serial kisser. Okay. What's your age when you had your first kiss?
My first kiss was I was 19.
Good. Not bad. Okay. Kill, marry, hook up. So the actors are Katrina Kaif, Kiara Advani, and Sonakshi Sinha.
I would kill Sonakshi Sinha. Hook up with Kiara Advani and marry Katrina Kaif.
Smart, very smart. Okay, now it will be a rapid fire. Before that, the last question from Bluntly Bold is like describe kiss in 3 words.
Sorry?
Describe kiss in 3 words.
Kiss in 3 words.
Describe. Yes.
Describe kiss in 3 words.
It should be rapid. Should I call you tomorrow and ask the answer? It should be rapid.
Like that. That's okay. 3 words. passion, love, and want.
Number one. One.
Want.
Okay, great. That's pretty much bluntly bold. Now the thing is that rapid fire. So you have to answer in tick
Huh.
tick tick 3 seconds. Okay. So let's start.
Acha. Huh.
Okay, who is your best friend in the industry from Telugu?
Sri Krishna.
ఓకే మీకు వచ్చిన 50 lakhs ఏం కొన్నారు ఇండియన్ ఐడల్ నుంచి?
ఏమి కొనలేదు. ఫస్ట్ నా స్క్వాడా లారా కొన్నాను ఫస్ట్.
Okay.
Actually, along with that,
interesting
I got my floor built. I got my floor built on my second floor. My dream place built. Like that.
Okay. Okay. So this is also you designed the interior, which you are sitting in Bombay.
Yeah, almost me.
Yeah, I would love to visit one day.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So interesting thing that you carry in your wallet. I really, if it is personal, also don't worry. You can tell me. Interesting thing you carry in your
Interesting
wallet.
thing I carry in my wallet. It's my lucky
I
note.
know.
No. I don't keep such things in my wallet. It's a lucky
What,
note
what things?
from my.
Tell me what things. What things I thought. Tell me that.
I don't know what you think. What things are you thinking that I thought?
We both are on the same thread, dude. Please. We are on the same thread. Don't tell me that.
Yeah, see, I mean,
నేనేం ఆలోచించింది ఇప్పుడు?
no, but
See,
I'm not that.
మీరందరి
Huh.
Okay. You're not that?
Yeah, so
చెప్పండి.
no, I'm not that very spontaneous with relationships. I need a connection, so yeah.
So you don't carry such kind of stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Huh?
What kind of stuff?
Yeah, you're very.
What are you talking about?
What? Okay, the editing లో ఖచ్చితంగా తీస్తారు. It starts with C and end with S. Who knows? Many of my friends carry, so that's why I got to know.
Acha, corn puffs. You mean?
Huh? Okay. Oh.
Corn puffs.
Stop being so smart, Ram, please. Stop being damn smart. You know what we are talking about. Okay.
Dude, nowadays I always have my ID in my wallet. That is always there, no matter where I go. Oksar na wallet pote nenu I got stuck in Chennai. I know, but I got stuck in Chennai airport because I lost my wallet. 18 hours akade stuck అయిపోయి. I had to make calls and talk to the police department, and then they let me through.
Nice.
So wallet and ID are two important things.
You are answering something. నేను ఒకటి అడుగుతుంటే మీరు ఇంకోటి చెప్పవచ్చు. What a nice cover drive. I think we should hang out one day. Okay. The meanest thing that you have ever said to someone.
The meanest thing that I have ever said to someone. I'm very mean when I'm angry. I just, because advocate lo kodukun kada, so I always try to win an argument. So to that I just,
okay,
even if I don't mean it, I just keep saying things so that the other person shuts up.
So you raise your argument, like how auntie uncle raised in court.
So I raise my
argument.
Yeah, so I have to win the argument because I only get into the argument when I have a strong point. That is point number one.
Okay.
So
First
to that I just go up to an extent.
Great. Okay. First thing you notice in opposite. First thing you notice in opposite sex.
Definitely her looks.
Okay. Okay.
The way the dressing sense looks. First thing, I mean, first look, that is the only thing I notice.
Am I having the dirty mind, or else I don't getting the dirty answers from you? Something is wrong.
See, first look, you cannot understand the personality, right? First look, you can only see how the person is. So it is a logical answer. Yeah.
Okay.
First thing when you,
okay,
yeah. So.
Yeah. If you could teach one subject, what could it be?
Love.
Okay.
How to love.
Okay. Tell me three things how to woo a girl.
How to woo a girl?
You said you want to teach love, no? wooing a girl comes under
No,
first
I
introduction
want
part
no,
only.
I want to teach love to people, how to love. That could be a girl or a
Oh,
boy or friendly love. How to love, I want to teach. It's not that
okay, okay.
I don't see. I myself don't know how to woo a girl because I grew up as a fat kid. I was always low on
Mhm.
confidence. I was like, "Arey, ammo, no chipte." I'm very scared of rejection, and I've most of the
Okay.
times been rejected. Gave munch chocolates to childhood crushes in school, and never could go beyond that. So very
Uh-huh.
grew up as a very low confidence person, very introvert. So I
Okay.
still don't know how to woo a girl. If I woo, then might be they'll fall for it, but I don't know how to woo a girl.